How to change language in Android. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language in your Android device. If you are using an Android device and want to change language on it, you will need to first access the settings. So first open up your settings of your device. And once you enter the settings page, here search for system management. The exact steps may vary depending upon the Android model. If you are unable to find that language option, you can also use the search bar at the top and search for the language option there. Now here we will need to find System Management first. Tap on System Management, and in this new page at the very bottom you will find Language and Input option. Tap on this option and here you will find Language. Tap on this language. Within it, you will be presented with a variety of language that you can choose to change it. From here, scroll down and find the language you are looking for. If you are unable to find the language you are looking for, you can also tap on the search bar and there you can search for the language you are looking for. Now once you find the language you would like to change to, you can simply tap on that language and a blue tick mark will appear at the right side of it to indicate the selection. Once you have selected it, you will automatically come back to the previous page and there you will find you have successfully changed your language in Android. So by following the steps, you should be able to change your language in Android. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.